In this video, we're given the production function Q equals 4L to the 1/4 power times K to the 1/4 power. And we want Q to be 16, the wage rate to be 8, the rental rate of capital is 8. So the cost function is just WL plus RK. We substitute W and R to be 8 and get C is equal to 8L plus 8K. So we want to minimize this function given the constraint. So let's first plug in Q equals 16 into our production function. So 16 is equal to 4L to the 1/4 times K to the 1/4. We can get rid of this 4 by dividing both sides by 4. Get 4 is equal to L to the 1/4 times K to the 1/4. I'm going to get rid of the fourth root powers by raising both sides to the 4th power. That's going to give us 256 equals L times K. And now I'm going to solve for K. So K here will be 256 over L. We're going to take this now and substitute it into the cost function. So remember, cost function is 8L plus 8K. K is 256 over L. Plug it in. 8 times 256 is 2048. And so we want to minimize this. We'll take the derivative. That's going to be 8 minus 2048 over L squared. Set equal to 0 to get the critical point. And add 2048 over L squared to both sides. Cross multiply, so we'll multiply the L squared to both sides. 8L squared equals to 2048. Divide by 8 to get L squared is 256. And then we'll take the square root. So we'll take the positive square root. L is equal to 16. Now to find the capital, we just plug in L equals 16. Because remember, when we solved for K, we said it was 256 over L. So plug in L as 16 to get 256 over 16 is 16. So here L and K are both 16. And so we can verify that this is the minimum by looking at the second derivative, which is 4096 over L cubed. That's positive for L being 16. So that means that it has to be a minimum. And so now to compute the minimum cost, we plug it in back into the cost function, which was C equals 8L plus 8K. And L and K are both 16. And so we end up with the cost being 256. And so that's going to be the final answer.